Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So today I have Dabur Meswak Pure Meswak Extract 0% added fluoride, paraben, triclosan, formalin. So this toothpaste for complete tooth and gum care protection, great mouthfeel. As you can see here, if you buy this, we'll get free Dabur honey 20 grams, rupees 17. For rupees 1 or 2 cost of Meswak toothpaste will get Dabur honey. Net weight 200 grams. Coming to the ingredients: calcium carbonate, sorbitol water, silica, sodium lauryl sulfate, flavor Meswak extracts, cellulose gum, carrageenan, sodium silicate, copolymer, sodium saccharin, zinc, gluconate, sodium benzoate, benzyl alcohol, foaming some mentioned here. Let's see how the pack inside will be. So this is our Meswak toothpaste. So this smell is very amazing. Everybody will like it. It is really very safe to use and it is really very easy to use daily. So the smell, this fragrance is similar to the soap. It will give a very fresh feel. So this is the review for today, guys. Thanks for watching. It's really very safe to use. This Meswak toothpaste is the best one, I can say. So thanks for watching again. So please subscribe to my channel. See you on with another video. Bye bye.